Hello kids. Hand waving. Welcome to Kids Library. Today's alphabet is letter N. Let's meet Nina, a kind little nightingale with a nice nest. Nest with eggs, yellow heart. In a bright green forest, there lived a sweet nightingale named Nina. She was busy building her new nest high up in a tree. Nina worked hard all day, making her nest neat and nice. She wanted it to be the coziest home ever. But one night, the wind blew so hard. "Oh no, my nest!" cried Nina. The twigs flew everywhere. Soon, Nina's friends came. "Don't worry, Nina, we'll help you rebuild your nest," said the squirrel kindly. Chipmunk together they worked, picking twigs, tying leaves, fixing the nest again. With everyone's help, Nina's nest was even nicer than before. She learned that kindness always brings happiness. N is for nightingale, nest and niece. Thank you for listening, kids. We'll see you soon in the next alphabet story. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the Kids Library. Hand waving sparkles.